What's going on, guys? Good morning and welcome. I got an estimate to do today. Two birds, one stone, basically. I got a message from a friend to give her sister an estimate, and also her neighbor. They aren't satisfied with their current lawn guy, so they figure try hit me up and see what they can get. So that's the plan today. Getting breakfast right now. Ooh, got the grinds.
See, is this like...
Is that pig doo-doo?
Yeah, I was gonna ask you, is that like
so, you know.
dog doo-doo or pig?
I think that's pig.
See.
Yes, thanks to my vlogging skills and my vlog, honestly, my being able to vlog to you folks every single day really helps me with my communication skills with people. So I never met these people before. Two separate clients I just met. One older elderly lady, and another that my friend recommended me to, her sister. So met them first time, you know, my communication skills, eye contact, body language, all that stuff, make them feel comfortable. Yep, I got a deal. I got the jobs, guys. I got the jobs. Future money coming my way, man. Gotta work hard and not let people rip you off. Call the cops on you. Yeah, baby! Positive energy today! I'm telling you, bro, you gotta be happy. You be happy, then good things come your way. I'm telling you. It's the only way it works.
To play the secret sound, so if you think you know what this sound is.
Playing the secret sound right now. They gotta get the top 3 callers in Hawaii. Hilo. Come on, baby. Come on, $500 is on the line. Busy, busy, busy. Come on. 4 o'clock. Last chance for this week. Let's win $500. Come on. I want it. I want it. Nothing. Still busy. I called him 50 times one time. You don't know how bad I want this. I don't know if I made it. I got in. I got in. I got in. Here we go. My guess.
The Wake at 92 FM, who's this?
This is Skylar!
Yeah! You are the last caller of the week.
Oh my god, please be correct.
So what do you think this sound is?
I think that sound, I'm gonna go my gut feeling. I vape all the time. I wanna say it's the vaping sound when you take the hit, that crackling noise, like that's my guess.
That is not the secret.
What?
I'm sorry.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Thank you so much
for calling.
Yeah.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Bye-bye. Bruh! I was so certain on that sound because it sounds just like it. Oh my god. Oh, I was the last caller too. And I got it on my vlog. That's freaking classic. That is freaking classic. They're gonna play it back to everybody. Oh my god. You don't even know. It's not. Oh my god. What is the sound? 500 bucks is on the line, guys. 500 bucks. If you guess that sound, it's like a... I don't know. God! I thought he was it.
What is that sound? From the wave.
Listen.
92 FM. The wave at 92 of Good Weekend.
Oh,
The wave at 92
listen.
FM. Who's this?
This is Skylar.
You are the last caller of the week.
Oh my god, please be correct.
So what do you think this sound is?
I think that sound, I'm gonna go my gut feeling. I vape all the time. I wanna say it's the vaping sound when you hit the hit, that crackling noise, like that's my guess.
That is not the secret sound, I'm sorry.
Alrighty.
Thank you so much for calling.
Yep.
Have a good weekend.
Well, guys, I didn't win 500 bucks. I got the wrong answer, but I swear to God, that's like the best answer they got. I went over the list. Nothing. Their list is nothing compared to my guess. So funny. I hope that made you laugh. Give a big thumbs up if this made you laugh or it made your day, period. And yeah. That's classic.
One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped their head. A monkey. They put lotion on him.
Calamine lotion.
Bye, I love you. Bye, Zane.
Bye, mama.
Bye, bye.
Oh, he might cry.
Could he see me? Could he see me?
Yeah?
Huh?
Yeah.
This is what our life consists of, yeah?
Yeah.
Through FaceTiming at work. Because
Yeah.
I'm here most of the time. Through the screen.
Alright. Well, let me know what you want to eat, man. Because I'm hungry now. And if I go out now, I'd rather get your food now.
What? I would want you to tell me what you want to eat.
I'm
and
gonna go to
text me.
Pandas.
I'll text you. Just let me know when you leave.
No. Bye. Love you, bye.
Love you back. Okay, I gotta go. Goodbye. Love you, bye. Do you think the problem is?
Yep, and that, my friends, is what my life consists of. Alright, so Leanne goes to meal at about 6 o'clock-ish, 5:45, 6 o'clock, around there. So she sent me on a food run. So when she gets home, she has her dinner. So I'm at KFC right now. I'm not getting KFC though. I'm not really a fan. I'm gonna get
Panda. Hello, Panda.
I'm gonna get Panda. So the cutest thing just happened, and I swear it made my day, for real. So I'm getting food, right? And I'm in line and I get this phone call. It was Zeke's mom's phone number that popped on my phone. So I answer, and when I answered, it was Zeke. The cutest thing. He goes, "Daddy, I called you without using Siri." and then he asked me, "Daddy, were you on the radio?" I said, "Yeah, I was on the radio. You heard me." He goes, "Yeah, I heard you." So he was tripping out. He didn't think that was me until he actually asked me. So I told him, "Yeah, that was me on the radio." And he goes, "I gotta tell mommy." So he goes running in the kitchen. He goes, "Mom, it was Dad. I told you." I said, how did you know? And he goes, he could tell from my laugh. So that's good. He could tell it was me over the radio. That's my boy. I love you, Zeke. What do you think the sound is?
A rapper.
But they said that already. Another guess. What do you think it is?
A bar.
A what?
A bar. A candy bar.
A candy bar.
Yeah.
Oh. Why don't you call? It's hard to call because everybody calling one time. It's lucky if you get in.
But
Oh.
how bright is my phone? It's so even bright. Put on top bright mode. Yeah.
How was school?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
I miss you.
Me too.
Are you practicing vlogging?
Yeah, and I did it all by myself.
You dialed my phone number?
Huh?
You called me?
No, on top of my phone, I asked Siri to call you, but her didn't know you because this is my phone.
Oh. Look, say hi to YouTube. You're on camera. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Now you jump, Daddy.
What?
I can't even see you
How come?
because I did something.
Uh-oh.
Can you do something?
What you said?
Lie down.
What you said?
I said, by the way, this is it for Zeke Lot, and then you go back.
You so funny. Alright, thank you for calling me, Zeke. I love you.
I love you.
You can call me anytime you want, okay?
Okay.
You have a good night.
Okay, but I got one more question for you.
What's up?
How did you know? How did you don't know how that rapper was on top of your the radio?
Well, nobody knows the answer yet.
Nobody?
Nobody. Everybody.
I can tell.
You can tell. Everybody guessed, but it's wrong.
I can get it right because there's only two things the guy can smash,
What?
like a candy bar and a paper. What the? How did you didn't know? What are you hiding it by his back?
No, you can only hear it on the radio. You gotta guess the sound. Nobody knows what the sound is.
No, was he hiding it? I said.
Yeah. You can only hear it on the radio. Nobody can see it. It's a game. It's called Guess the Secret Sound.
I know what he was doing. He was hiding it by the back. What happened? I can't. Oh, Daddy. By the way, bye.
Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Press
Talk to
the
you
red
later.
button.
Okay, talk to you
Bye.
later. Okay?
Talk to you later.
Love you.
Okay. Bye. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
That was Zeke. I miss that kid. He's so funny. He thinks he's a vlogger. He has a old phone from his mom that she lets him play with, and he vlogs and videotapes himself. And he showed me the videos that he took one time, and it was freaking classic. That kid is so funny. I don't know, man. Oh. Hello, Mom. This is what she did. She just walked into the frame that was on this post. She hit her head on it and it fell down. Glass all over. You gotta clean this up good because baby crawls over there. Oh man. Alright guys, well I'm about to go to the gym, but before I go to the gym, I want to open up my fortune cookie and see what it reads. My fortune says, you are the very definition of trustworthy. Thank you, fortune cookie. I'll eat you for that. Alrighty gang, we are at the gym. I found me parking. Oh, can't forget this. Found me some parking. I have 1 hour. It just hit 8 o'clock. The gym closes at 9. Downtown is happening right now. Let's go. Going to the gym. Practice time. It's more like freaking burning hair in here. This guy, show prepping. He looks real good, guys. Swear, it's been like a week or 2 weeks, I never see you.
2.5 weeks.
But this guy never looked like this. For real, guy. Looking real good, but helping with him, timing him on his poses, 30 seconds each. Real good. How much weeks out?
2.5.
2.5 weeks out, this guy. I remember those days. Good night. Finish it up. Helping my boy out, posing. I remember those days. Yeah. I'm gonna be ending my vlog. I gotta pick up my son. Having somebody watch him right now, so I can go to the gym, pick up my son, go home, call it a day. It's Friday, guys. Friday night. Downtown. Bro, what are you doing in the middle of the road? Nah, get off the road! Freaking dummy. Alrighty. Calling it a night. My wife just got home. It's about 11 o'clock already. So happy she didn't have to stay overnight.
Probably have to stay tomorrow though.
But anyway, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment, share, like, and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Why talk so soft?
Why talking regular, right? Like and subscribe. Shut up. See what I gotta go through?
See the highlight?
I'm not wearing anything.
Okay, bye.